Hello. Today I have a 2012 Volkswagen EOS with code P2440. So what I did first, I did a smoke test, and at the beginning I find a crack on this vacuum hose that coming from the secondary air pump. There was a crack in here, and then I just bought some glue and electric tape, and I tested again, and it's good. Because I think this hose is a little bit expensive. It's gonna take time to get here. And then second, I take the what it called secondary switch valving, switch valves, something like that. Anyway, I think this is the part number, and this one located in here, and it has 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and it's this socket right here. It's T30 star, and also I have the long one right here. It's good. This is good to so you can catch the bottom bolt right there, because it's a very tight area. I take the battery off, and I take this also steady, all the same size bolt as one right here, and there is one right there, so I can drop this heater hose down a little bit so I can get to the bottom bolt. Then I clean the carb over here, and also clean the carb inside there with guys, this is the best carb cleaner ever. I have tried many carb cleaner, and in like one spray of these with the whole can from the any other brand, this thing is a beast. So I clean here, I clean there, and I also test this solenoid, this valve with a voltmeter. It gives me 6 ohm. Then I test this with a 12-volt battery. You should hear a click, and this should be open. And if you blow air right now before you test it, it should be plugged. When you give it a 12-volt, then the air should be passed through, open for the air. So make sure that you have no vacuum leak. Check all your vacuum hoses, no crack, no. And then you tested the valve before you buying it, because this valve is expensive. It's around $260, $300, something like that. So test it before you get the part. Make sure your gasket is good too. I'm gonna clean this. It's still okay, but I'm just gonna clean this. And I think that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment below.